This is the wait for the 3 o'clock southbound Sounder train from Seattle to Tacoma, and you can see all the people standing in line waiting on the conductor to arrive. And so it's snowing out here. It's about 30 degrees, so you would think that they would have someone down here to open the train for all these people standing in the cold. But this is a common problem with the Seattle area, is that they're never quite prepared for the snow and never seem to be able to get it right. This is the long wait for the Sounder. Everybody's waiting on the train doors to open.